Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO Reno12 FS and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your Google Play Store applications are not visible on it. When you have the same problem as mine, you search your game or application but you don't have it there. Go back to the main menu of your smart Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. There's Settings, Family and Parental Control, which is on, and we have PEGI 3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends game, we need more than PEGI 3. To change it, tap on it, enter your look screen, confirm by OK, and there we can easily change it from PEGI 3 to maybe PEGI 16, confirm by got it, and save. And that's all. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off, but you mustn't do that. Now we can search our game and we have it, we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!